So is an excerpt in major or in minor? That's the big question we have. Well, first we need to determine what possible major or minor key signature fits. Here we have 1 flat, and we should know that 1 flat is F major because we've practiced that scale dozens and dozens and dozens of times. And let's find the relative key signature that is the same key signature but different starting note. And remember how to do that. It was F major, it was scaled degree 6, going up F major to scale degree 6, we have D minor. So those are our 2 possible keys for this short little excerpt. Now, how to find what key it's in? Well, let's especially look for scale degree 1 and scale degree 5. Now, for this kind of analysis, I find it very helpful to use 2 different colors. So, F major will be blue, and D minor will be red. And let's look for scale degree 1 and 5 in F major. That is an F or a C, scale degree 1 and 5. Well, there is scale degree 5. There is scale degree 1. And there is scale degree 5. And there's scale degree 1. Let's also look for scale degree 1 and 5 in D minor. And that is scale degree 1 is D, and scale degree 5 is A. Well, here we have scale degree 5 and scale degree 5, scale degree 5, and not a scale degree 1 until the very end. Sometimes it can be helpful to find scale degree 3. Let's start with F major. Scale degree 3 is A, and that's right here, scale degree 3. And scale degree 3. And scale degree 3. And scale degree 3 here is F, and there's 1 right here, scale degree 3. And 1 right here, scale degree 3. So those are especially the important notes for each of those key signatures. And hopefully you're already seeing something that will help you determine what key it's in. Notice how this outlines C, A, and F. We'll eventually know that as the major triad or the tonic triad in F major. And notice it does that here too. Scale degree 1, 3, and 5. 1, 3, and 5. It's just a F major scale. And again, right here. Now you could say that between here and there outlines a D minor triad, but for the most part, hopefully you're seeing a lot of F, C, and A, scale degree 1, 5, and 3 in this excerpt, which has no relation whatsoever to Katy Perry's Firework. Okay, yeah, actually it is Katy Perry's Firework. But that's all right. You'll notice something also on this page, that you're looking for an accidental. In particular, you're looking for an accidental that will be in minor. Because we don't use the natural minor scale very often in our Western European music tradition. We use the harmonic minor. So you're looking for scale degree 7 in minor. So D minor, that is C sharp. And notice we don't have any C sharps. We actually have some C naturals. So that is, again, an indicator that we are in F major. Usually you want to have 3 justifications for choosing your key signature. One of them can be the key signature, which is F major or D minor. And then I would say the outlining of triads in the melody indicates F major, and that we don't have a C sharp to indicate D minor as another reason that it is in F major. Let's try to analyze the key for one more excerpt. First, we see that we're in bass clef. Make sure you are noticing that. And that we have 2 flats in our key signature. Well, we know our major key signature so well that we know that that is B flat major. And let's find our relative key signature. That is the same key signature, different starting note. B flat major, scale degree 6. If you play your scale up to scale degree 6, you see that it was G minor. So those are our 2 possibilities with that key signature. And again, let's do B flat major as blue and G minor as red. So let's look for scale degree 1 and 5. And B flat major, that's B flat and F. So here we are, there's scale degree 1. And there's scale degree 1. That's an F sharp, not an F, so that doesn't count. Oh my goodness. So right off the bat, not a lot for B flat major. Let's turn to G minor. Scale degree 1 is G, and scale degree 2 is D. There's scale degree 1. There's scale degree 5. Scale degree 1. Oh, my markers are running out. Scale degree 1. And scale degree 5. So already we have more scale degree 1 and 5 in G minor. And notice something very important is not just that we have a whole bunch of scale degree 1s and 5s, but we have one that goes from scale degree 5 to scale degree 1. Now let's check out that accidental. It's an F sharp. And remember, in our minor scale, we will hope for an accidental on the 7th scale degree. So here we are. G, A, B flat, C, D, E flat, F, G. There's G natural minor. And there is scale degree 7, G harmonic minor. And there it is. So that F sharp is some fantastic evidence that we are in G minor. So already it's definitely pointing to G minor. Notice also the placement of scale degree 1 and 5. Notice right here, the first note that we play is a G. Notice here's scale degree, or excuse me, beat number 3 going to beat number 1. That is really strong in terms of G minor. Notice these B flats from B flat major, that's on beat 4 and that's on beat 2. Both of those are very weak beats. So this excerpt is definitely in G minor.